Hello students, good morning. Welcome to class 12. Now, here is the next exercise. The next topic is integration using trigonometric identities. Okay, according to this concept, this statement, the next exercise is 7.3. Here is the first question. In this exercise, is using the substitution method to find the integration. The first question is sine square 2x plus 5 2x plus 5 here dx. Here in this question using trigonometric identities. So we apply here a trigonometric identity. We know that cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. If we convert sine theta into cos 2 theta, then here cos 2 theta minus 1 is equal to by 2 is equal to minus sine square theta, and again here sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. This is the trigonometric identity. We substitute this identity here to find the integration of this question. Okay, so here integration first 1 minus 2 cos, so the cos 2 theta 2 in bracket 2x plus 5 divided by 2 and dx. This is the interchange, this is the changing, this is modification, and now again it's time for integration. Here integration 1 by 2 dx minus integration 1 by 2 cos 4x plus 10 here dx. Now friends, here x by 2 minus 1 by 2 integration of cos. Integration of cos is sine. So here let 4x plus 10 is equal to t. So here is the 4 dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt by 4. Substituting this value in this statement, integration cos t dt of into by में here 4 dt. So x by 2 minus 1 by 8 integration of cos t. Cos t is sin t, the sin and t plus 1 arbitrary constant c. So putting the value of t here, get x by 2 minus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 sine. The value of t is 4x plus 10 plus 1 arbitrary constant c. This is the required answer of this question. आपने देखा साइन स्क्वायर को जब सम सिंपल वे में हम साइन का इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं तो उसे हम चेंज कर लेते हैं, लेकिन जब यहाँ पे साइन स्क्वायर दिया गया हो या कोई और ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का रेशियो दिया गया हो तो स्क्वायर को हमें मॉडिफाई करने के लिए स्क्वायर हमारा हट जाता है। इस चेंजिंग से ये स्क्वायर पूरी तरह से हमारा जो है यहाँ से हट जाता है। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज योर होमवर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लॉ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, अल्टरनेट क्वेश्चन में आपको बताऊंगा और आपकी प्रॉब्लम होगी तो आप जो है उस प्रॉब्लम को आप पूछ भी सकते हैं। हियर फर्स्ट cos 2x into cos 4x and cos 6x. Cos 6x is the symbol of integration dx. This question we know that identity of 2 cos A cos B. We know that 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B, cos A plus B, and plus cos A minus B. Using this identity, and we get cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B by 2. So now in this question, integration cos 2x, cos 4x and cos 6x को हम यहां पर a ब्रैकेट लेंगे. In bracket cos 4x into cos 6x here dx. Applying this identity in these two product, इस दो प्रोडक्ट में हम इसे अप्लाई करेंगे. Here cos 2x into and 1 by 2 bracket cos 4x plus 6x plus cos 4x minus 6x bracket close dx. Now here that is equal to 1 by 2 cos 2x into cos 10x minus a plus और cos में minus 2x, तो minus 2x here cos minus 2x dx bracket close. Now next again here cos 2x और cos 2x, cos minus theta, cos theta ही होता है, तो multiplying 1 by 2 integration cos 10x into cos 2x plus here dx and plus again integration cos square 2x dx bracket close. Now students again applying these identity here. तो हमने इसमें क्वेश्चन में क्या किया कि cos 2x का ब्रैकेट के बाहर हमने सब में दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें जो है इन दोनों में फिर से आइडेंटिटी को अप्लाई करेंगे. दिस आइडेंटिटी cos A cos B cos A plus B plus cos A minus B by 2. So 1 by 2 in bracket integration 1 by 2 cos 10 plus 2 12x और plus cos 8x bracket close dx plus cos square 2x. Using the identity is 2 cos square x. Here cos 2x equal to, we know that 2 cos square 3x minus 1. So cos 2x plus का 1 by 2 is equal to cos square x. Using this identity here integration cos 2x, तो 2x ऑलरेडी है, हम इसको डबल कर देंगे. here cos 4x plus 1 divided by 2 dx bracket close. Now students again we rewrite, हम इसे फिर से लिखते हैं 1 by 2 here and 1 by 2 also here, taking common, that is equal to 1 by 4 in bracket cos 12x plus cos 8x, cos 12x plus cos 8x, cos 12x cot xx plus 1 plus cos 4x. bracket close dx. Now we integrate this is equal to 1 by 4 integration सभी का कॉमन इंटीग्रेशन हम ले लेते हैं। तो यहां पर हमें क्या मिलता है cos sin 12x by में 12 प्लस sin 8x by में 8 प्लस x प्लस sin 4x by में 4 plus 1 arbitrary constant. Again, we rewrite here. This is your required answer. If we multiply 1 by 4 to each and every term, get also a result. Okay. Now, students, next question 4 is your homework. Question number 5. Question number 5. In question 5, sin cube x into cos cube x. Sin cube x into cos cube x integration here dx. Now, using identity here in this question, let this is equal to integration first cos cube sin क्यूब को हम क्या करते हैं sin को हम चेंज कर देते हैं क्यूब को स्क्वायर इनटू sin x लिख सकते हैं। तो यहां हमारे पास हो गया cos क्यूब x इनटू sin स्क्वायर x इनटू sin x dx. This is changing, and if we rewrite sin square x, that is the 1 minus cos square x. Here cos cube x in bracket 1 minus cos square x bracket close into sin x dx. We multiply cos cube x in a bracket, then we get integration cos cube x minus cos 5x into sin x and dx. Using substitution method, let cos x equal to t. Here let cos x equal to t, differentiating both sides, minus sin x dx equal to dt. So sin dx is equal to minus dt. Now we can rewrite, हम इसे फिर से लिख सकते हैं here implies that integration t cube minus t की पावर 5 और यहां पर हमारे पास minus dt that is equal to, we interchange this quantity and get result is integration t की पावर 5 minus t का cube into dt, integrating here is the t power 6 by 6 minus t power 4 by 4 plus 1 arbitrary constant c. So the answer not in form of t, so t is equal to cos x. This is equal to cos की power 6 x by 6 minus cos की power 4 x by 4 plus arbitrary constant c. This is the required answer of this question. Next, question number 7. In this question, here sin 4x into sin 8x, sin 4x into sin 8x dx. This is the integration. We know that the identity sin A into sin B is equal to, here we know that sin A into sin B is equal to 1 by 2 bracket में here cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Using this identity and convert it in the form here integration sin 1 by 2 and cos 4x minus 8x and minus cos 4x plus 8x bracket close dx. Now again applying this identity, here that is equal to 1 by 2 integration in bracket cos minus 4x minus cos 12x bracket close dx. We rewrite 1 by 2 here cos minus 4x minus cos 12x bracket close dx. Now we integrate this is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket sin 4x by 4 minus sin 12x by 12 plus 1 arbitrary constant c. This is the required answer. So again we rewrite here sin 4x by 8 minus sin 12x by 24 plus c is your required answer. Now students, this is question number 7. Again question number 8 is homework. Question number 9. In 9, the integration cos x divided by 1 plus cos x and dx. First, if we want to integrate this, convert it into a half radical. So we get here integration cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 by में 1 plus cos x. Put those value where 1 eliminated. So we convert it into 2 cos square 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 dx. हमने यहाँ पर दो आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई की. फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई किया है हमने cos x इक्वल टू cos स्क्वायर x by 2 माइनस sin स्क्वायर x by 2 और नीचे हमने वो आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई की है जिससे हमारा जो है 1 क्या हो वो कट जाए. सो हियर cos x is equal to 2 cos स्क्वायर x by 2 माइनस का 1. तो इन दोनों आइडेंटिटी का यूज यहाँ पर किया गया है. हियर 1 से 1 एक दूसरे से क्या हो जाएंगे एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे. देन वी गेट here this is equal to integration cos square x by 2 by में cos square x by 2 with 2 and again sin square x by 2 by में 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Okay, now taking common 1 by 2 and get this is the 1 and minus tan स्क्वायर एक्स बाई टू हेयर dx। हमने जो है इसे यहाँ पर कन्वर्ट कर दिया और हम टेन स्क्वायर को फिर एक आइडेंटिटी में तोड़ देते हैं क्योंकि टेन स्क्वायर में हम इंटीग्रेट करने में दिक्कत होगी। हम कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अ सेक स्क्वायर। सो हियर 1 प्लस माइनस का सेक स्क्वायर x by 2 यूजिंग 1 by 2 इन ब्रैकेट 1 माइनस का सेक स्क्वायर x by 2 dx। नाउ 1 by 2 इन ब्रैकेट 1 माइनस यहाँ 1 प्लस sec square x by 2 bracket close dx। elimination 1 is eliminated and now this is the non 1 plus, sorry, this is the 1, so this value is plus and this value is minus, so not eliminated, 1 plus 1 get 1 by 2, here 2 minus sec square x by 2 dx and the integration होगा। अब हम क्या करते हैं, इसको इंटीग्रेट करते हैं, इंटीग्रेटिंग बोथ साइड, here 1 by 2 2x minus sec square x by 2 that is there is equal to 10 x by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c that is equal to x minus 2 10 x by 2 plus c is your required answer. But here it is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 by me 2 again x minus 10 x by 2. This is the required answer. So students, again the next question is question number 11. Today's last question, question number 11. In question, integrate cos की power 4 2x dx. Now here we rewrite this cos square 2x whole power 2 dx. Now friends, we can change cos square 2x, here change 1 plus cos 4x by 2, 1 plus cos 4x by 2 whole square dx. 2x, here we know that cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is the identity. So again we change here 1 by 4 integration 1 plus cos square 4x plus 2 cos 4x bracket close dx. Again we change here, that is equal to 1 by 4 integration 1 plus cos square 4x को हम फिर चेंज करेंगे 1 plus cos 8x 1 plus cos 8x divided by 2 plus 2 cos 4x bracket close here dx. Okay, now again 1 by 4 LCM, this is the 2 plus 1 plus cos 8x plus 4 cos 4x, this ये 2 आपका बाहर आ जाएगा, we get here 1 by 8 integration 2 plus 1 3 plus cos 8x plus 4 cos 4x bracket close dx. In this question, the integration we get here 1 by 8 3x plus sin 8x by में 8 plus 4 sin 4x by में 4 plus 1 arbitrary constant. This is your required answer. So students, इस 8 का हम अंदर मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं 3 by 8x plus sin 8x by 64 4 हमारा ये कट गया प्लस sin 4x by 8 plus arbitrary constant. This is your required answer. Thank you students for watching my video. बड़े ध्यान से आप लोगों ने देखा, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत